Welcome to FixLab 360. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Taskbar not working in Windows 10 with a few simple steps. First, press Windows and the letter I on your keyboard. This will open the Settings panel where you can access various system settings. Next, click on the Personalization option. This is where you can customize how your Windows looks and behaves. Now, look at the menu on the left and click on Taskbar. This will take you to the Taskbar settings page. Make sure the option Lock the Taskbar is turned on. This helps keep your taskbar in place and prevents it from moving accidentally. Also, turn off the setting called Automatically Hide the Taskbar in desktop mode. If this is on, the taskbar might disappear when not in use. Similarly, turn off Automatically Hide the Taskbar in tablet mode. This will ensure the taskbar stays visible even if you're using a touchscreen device. If the taskbar is still not working, let's try restarting Windows Explorer, which controls the desktop and taskbar. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open the Task Manager. This tool shows all the apps and processes running on your computer. Look for Windows Explorer under the Apps section. If it's not there, scroll down to the Background Processes section. Once you find Windows Explorer, right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh the taskbar and usually solves the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to FixLab 360 for more helpful tech tips.